Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I bring another recipe from my Bangladeshi kitchen, and today I will show you how to make this simple and easy but flavorful cabbage stir fry in Bangladeshi way. It's a very healthy recipe and also good for weight loss. First, take a look what we need. I have here around 6 cups of sliced white cabbage, half cup carrot slices, half cup green peas. I'm using here frozen peas. I have here some chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Then I have 1/4 cup onion slices, and I gonna use green chilies in this recipe, no chili powder. Then I need half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to your taste. I'm going to use actually less than 2.5 tablespoon oil, but just putting here in case I need. First, in a non-stick pan, add little bit oil like half teaspoon and spread it this way. Now put green peas and sprinkle some salt. Now let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat, but stir occasionally so it's not burns. You can skip this part and cook these green peas with cabbage, but I'm doing it so my green peas can look green. Actually, colorful veggies or any food makes me happy. When it's halfway cooked, take out from the heat and put it in a bowl. I'm going to use the same fry pan for my next cooking. Now put 2 tablespoons oil. Any cooking oil is fine. First put the onions. When it starts looking translucent, add turmeric powder and cook for 30 seconds to remove turmeric smells. Now add carrot slices and sprinkle some salt before adding cabbage slices. I like to add salt layer by layer so it spread equally. Now after adding all the veggies and chilies and salts, we're gonna cover it up for 5 to 6 minutes and keep eye on that it's not burned out. And we're not gonna use any water actually because cabbage release water. Now put the lid back on for 5 more minutes and we're gonna reduce the heat little bit so it can cook properly before it burns out, since we are not going to use any water. Our cabbage looks almost cooked. In this point, add those fried green peas and mix it with rest of the veggies. Now let it cook on low heat for a couple more minutes. Actually, it depends on how you like your cabbage. If you want it very mushy, you can put the lid back on, or if you like little more crunchier, then you can just leave it like this. Adding cilantro also optional, but for me, without cilantro I feel it's not complete. My Bengali style cabbage stir fry is ready now. You can enjoy it with white rice or flatbread or tortilla. I also like with cucumber salad. Cucumber and cabbage both keeps you full for a longer time, and both are low in carb and calorie counts. That means it's a flavorful way to lose some weight. Hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button so you won't miss any video. And see you on my next video. Till then, stay happy and healthy.